You've got what you think is a genius video idea. You write the script, film it, edit for hours, upload it, and then watch it struggle to pass 100 views. Meanwhile, another creator posts something similar, and boom, 500,000 views in a week. What gives? The difference isn't in editing, gear, or luck, it's in validation. Knowing before you ever hit record whether your video idea will actually rank and generate views. Today, I'll break down a step-by-step process to validate any YouTube video idea, so you stop guessing and start creating content that grows your channel predictably. Here's the truth. YouTube's algorithm doesn't reward hard work, it rewards relevance. You can make the most cinematic, beautifully edited video ever, but if no one is searching for it or clicking on it, YouTube has no reason to recommend it. Creators like Ali Abdaal, Think Media, Film Booth, and Catherine Manning don't just upload and pray. They use data-driven validation to test ideas before filming. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to 1. Find ideas your audience already wants. 2. Validate whether they can rank in search. 3. Predict if they'll sustain views over time, and by the end, you'll have your own repeatable YouTube idea validation framework, so every upload has growth potential. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start with audience intent. The first step in validation is understanding what your audience wants and why. Most creators make the mistake of brainstorming from their own perspective. What do I feel like filming? But the most successful channels flip that. What does my audience need or desire right now? Every high-performing video taps into one of 3 psychological triggers. Pain relief solves a problem. How to stop wasting time after work. Desire. Gain helps achieve something aspirational. How I made my first $1,000 online. Curiosity. Loop creates intrigue or suspense. I tried MrBeast's YouTube strategy for 30 days. Action. Step. Write down 10 to 15 questions your ideal viewer might be typing into YouTube or Google. You can find these by scanning comments on similar channels, browsing Reddit and Quora threads, checking Facebook groups or Discord servers in your niche. Use tools like Answer the Public, pulls common how, why, and what searches. Also, Ask.com maps out related questions in a visual tree. You'll end up with a list of topics backed by real audience intent. Pro tip: if multiple people are asking the same question in different ways, that's a goldmine topic. Step 2. Check search demand. Now that you have ideas, it's time to check if anyone's actually searching for them. Head to the YouTube search bar and start typing your topic. Notice how YouTube auto-suggests phrases as you type. Those aren't random. They come from real user searches. For example, type how to grow on YouTube. You'll see how to grow on YouTube Shorts, how to grow on YouTube without showing face, how to grow on YouTube fast 2025. Those variations tell you exactly how people are framing their questions. To go deeper, use keyword tools like TubeBuddy, Keyword Explorer, VidiQ, Keyword Inspector. Look for high search volume, at least 1,000 to 10,000 per month. Low to medium competition, so you can rank faster. If a keyword shows low search volume but high competition, skip it. If it has decent volume and moderate competition, that's your opportunity zone. Bonus tip: Google Trends can also show whether a topic is growing or fading. Search your keyword and look for upward momentum, especially in the last 12 months. This tells you whether your idea has long-term potential or is just a passing fad. Step 3. Analyze ranking competition. Next, we check how competitive the playing field is. Go to YouTube and type in your target keyword. For example, how to start a podcast. Now study the top 5 to 10 ranking videos carefully. Ask yourself, how many subscribers do these creators have? Are their videos recent or years old? How polished are their titles, thumbnails, and intros? Here's what you're looking for. If every top-ranking video is from huge channels, 500,000 plus subscribers, and has millions of views, it's a tough niche to break into unless you bring a unique angle. However, if you find smaller creators ranking high videos over 2 years old, still dominating, that's a perfect entry point. YouTube loves fresh content that keeps viewers engaged. Opportunity: hack, find outdated but still ranking videos, and then make a better, updated version. Example: how to edit videos in Premiere Pro 2021-2025 edition with AI tools. You'll ride the existing demand while offering something new. Step 4. Validate clickability. Okay, so your idea has demand and winnable competition. Great, but it won't matter if nobody clicks it. This is where clickability validation comes in. Testing how your title and thumbnail might perform. Start by researching the top titles for your keyword. Write down 10 versions of your title title that use power words, contrast, or curiosity. Examples: why your YouTube channel isn't growing and how to fix it. How to grow on YouTube fast, even with 0 subscribers. I tried YouTube Shorts for 30 days. Here's what happened. Then ask yourself, would I click this? Does it promise a transformation or reveal something surprising? Can I visualize a thumbnail that instantly communicates the idea? Tools for testing: thumbsup.tv or thumbnailtest.com for A/B testing designs. Poll your community tab or Instagram stories. Which title would you click? 0. If people hesitate or can't tell what the video's about in 3 seconds, rework it. Remember, validation isn't just data, it's emotion. Your title and thumbnail must make the viewer feel something: curiosity, fear of missing out, or hope a change. Step 5. Evaluate retention potential. Even if your video gets clicks, it'll die quickly if viewers don't stick around. So before filming, validate whether your topic can hold attention for 8 to 10 minutes. Ask yourself: 1. Does this topic allow for storytelling? 2. Can I use visual demonstrations or examples? 3. Is there a transformation arc from start to finish? For instance, top 10 productivity apps. 2. Static, I used only. These 10 productivity apps for 30 days. Here's what changed. Story plus transformation. That's retention gold. Bonus framework. Map your video structure like this. Hook: 0, 0 to 0, 20. Context: promise: 0, 20 to 1 o'clock. Step-by-step content: 1 o'clock. 0, 0 to 8, 0, 0. Key insight / takeaway: 8, 0, 0 to 9:30. Call to action: 9:30 to 10. You can even test retention potential by explaining your idea to a friend. If they lose interest halfway through, so will your audience. Step 6. Predict view velocity. Now let's talk about momentum. YouTube measures how quickly your video gains traction after upload, called view velocity. It's one of the strongest ranking signals in the algorithm. So before committing to an idea, ask, does my audience already care about this topic? Is this trend or evergreen? Do similar creators get fast engagement on similar topics? Compare your potential topic with others in your niche. If other creators post about YouTube Shorts growth and get thousands of views quickly, your validated idea has strong velocity potential. Pro tip for evergreen growth: mix slow burners like tutorials with trend chasers like new updates or news. That way, you build steady traffic and short-term spikes. Step 7. Score, select, and prioritize. Now it's time to pick winners. Create a simple spreadsheet or Notion table with these 5 columns. 1. Search demand. 2. Competition level 3. Clickability. 4. Retention potential. 5. Trend versus evergreen. Rate each from 1 to 5. Add them up. If your idea scores 20 or higher, it's a go. If it scores under 15, either rework it or skip it. This removes guesswork. You're now making data-informed creative decisions, the best of both worlds. Once you've validated your top ideas, move them into your content calendar and batch produce strategically. Step 8. Test, measure, and iterate. Validation doesn't stop once the video's live. Now you gather real-world feedback from YouTube analytics. Focus on CTR, click-through rate. Are people clicking your thumbnail? AVD, average view duration. Are they staying till the end? Traffic sources. Are views coming from search, suggested, or browse? If CTR is low, experiment with thumbnails. If AVD is low, improve pacing or storytelling. If traffic is mostly from search, double down on SEO-based content. This is how you evolve from a content creator into a content scientist. Each video becomes a mini experiment that refines your instincts over time. So before you pour hours into filming your next YouTube video, stop. Ask yourself, does this topic solve a real problem or trigger curiosity? Are people searching for it right now? Can I make it clickable and binge-worthy? Because YouTube isn't about uploading more, it's about uploading smarter. If you validate your ideas, you'll create videos that rank in search, get clicked, keep viewers watching, and grow your channel faster than guesswork ever could. Your challenge: pick your top 3 upcoming video ideas and run them through this exact validation process today, then comment below, "I'm validating my next video." And if you found this breakdown helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more creator strategy content, because once you master validation and distribution, growth becomes inevitable.